Hello everyone, so welcome to our YouTube channel Curious Mind. Now in this in this short video, we will learn how to convert from wedge dash projection to Fisher projection. Now look what we have on the board. We have wedge dash projection, right? What does that mean? Why it is called wedge dash projection? Because we know this is a 3D structure having a wedge bond and a dash bond. Right, this is above the plane, this is behind the plane, so wedge bond, dash bond, that's why it is called wedge dash projection. Now we have to convert this to Fisher projection. We all know what is Fisher. Fisher is nothing but these straight lines, that is a plus, we have to make a plus, right? This is called Fisher projection. Now the main concern is how to place this A, B, C, D to there. I have taken a normal random example. I didn't take any kind of organic molecule. It's a normal random example having A, B, C, D, right? So you have to convert this. Now suppose I'm drawing something. Just look at this. Then you are standing there and you are looking at this compound from this side, from this end. Now क्या होगा अगर आप यहाँ पे खड़े हो और देख रहे हो कंपाउंड को, तो आप इस डायरेक्शन से देखोगे, राइट? इस डायरेक्शन से देखोगे. अगर आप देखोगे तो ऊपर कौन दिखेगा? ए, राइट? ऊपर ए दिखेगा, सो प्लेस ए देयर. नीचे कौन दिखेगा? बी, सो प्लेस बी देयर. ना आपके लेफ्ट में कौन दिखेगा? आपके लेफ्ट में अगर आप इस साइड खड़े हो, यहां से देख रहे हो, लेफ्ट में कौन दिखेगा? लेफ्ट में दिखेगा सी, इट विल बी सी. एंड राइट में कौन दिखेगा? डी, सो इट विल बी डी. So in this way, you can convert the wedge dash projection to Fisher projection. Isn't it easy? It's easy, right? Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Now suppose you have sawhorse projection. You have sawhorse projection and you have to convert this to again Fisher, right? Now look at this. This is called sawhorse. Why? Just like somewhere this looks like a seesaw, right? Also something like horse. That's why it is called sawhorse projection. And we have to convert this to Fisher. Now look at this. यहाँ पे कितने कार्बन है? यहाँ पे 2 कार्बन है. 1, 2. लास्ट वाले एग्जाम्पल पे एक ही कार्बन था. अभी we have 2 carbons. That means we have to make a double plus, just like this. 1 carbon, second carbon, right? We have to convert this to Fisher, and this is the first carbon. This is the second carbon. So this is the first carbon, let's say, and this is the second carbon. Now let's look at the first carbon. Let's look at the first carbon. So first carbon के नीचे कौन है? F. नीचे है F. Give it here F. Why? Because this is first carbon, this is second carbon. So first carbon के नीचे है F. दे दो. आप यहाँ से अगर देखोगे इस साइड से, इस डायरेक्शन से, आपको D लेफ्ट में दिखेगा. So it will be D. राइट में कौन दिखेगा? E. So it will be E. We are done with the first carbon. Now let's look at the second carbon. Again नीचे कौन है? C. C को यहाँ पे दे दो. अगर आप लेफ्ट से देखोगे तो A है, राइट? So it will be A. अगर आप लेफ्ट से देखोगे तो राइट में कौन है? B. It will be B. That's it. In this way, you can convert sawhorse projection to Fisher projection. So you know how to convert the sawhorse to Fisher now. Now suppose I have this compound. This is also sawhorse, but this is not eclipsed. That means दोनों कार्बन का डायरेक्शन अलग है. So we have to make it aligned. How? So we can rotate it, right? We can rotate around the single bond, We can rotate it. If we rotate, it will become, say this is the same D, E and F. But I have rotated this, so this will become, अगर मैं rotate कर दूँ तो क्या होगा? A आ जाएगा नीचे. ऐसे रोटेट कर दो तो क्या होगा? ए आ जाएगा नीचे, बी आ जाएगा इधर एंड सी आ जाएगा इधर, राइट? मैंने रोटेट किया तो सी यहाँ पे आ गया पीछे, बी इधर आ गया और ए नीचे आ गया. नाउ यू नो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस टू फिशर. अगेन मेक अ डबल लाइन दिस. नाउ सी, दिस इज द फर्स्ट कार्बन, दिस इज द सेकंड कार्बन. फर्स्ट कार्बन ये है, सेकंड कार्बन ये है. फर्स्ट कार्बन के नीचे कौन है? एफ. सो आप एफ दे दो. लेफ्ट में कौन है? डी. इस तरफ से देखो, लेफ्ट में डी है, डी. राइट में कौन है? नाउ कम टू द फर्स्ट कार्बन, सेकंड कार्बन. दिस इज सेकंड कार्बन, राइट? यहाँ पे नीचे कौन है? ए, राइट? ए देयर. लेफ्ट में कौन है? सी, सी. राइट में कौन है? बी, बी. दैट्स इट. In this way, you can convert this source projection to Fisher projection. It's described. Now the last one, that is Newman to Fisher projection. It's also same. Newman to Fisher. Say I have two carbons. One is this one is the carbon, and one more carbon is there. Can you see it? Yes. That is the circle behind the dot, right? There is a circle behind that dot. That is another carbon. This is the first carbon, this is the second carbon. So again, we have to make a Fisher, that is double plus, a has-like structure. Now, look at the first carbon. So in this first carbon, suppose this is first carbon. So let's complete the first carbon. नीचे कौन है? C. Just give it here, C. Left में कौन है? Left में है A, right? So give it A. Right में कौन है? B. That's it. Now let's look at the next carbon. That is the circle, पीछे वाला. इसके नीचे कौन है? F. So ये हो गया F. This is the second carbon. Left में कौन है? D. Look at the पीछे वाला कार्बन. अभी ना ये A, B, C छोड़ दो. पीछे वाला कार्बन को देखो. इसमें है D. So ये हो गया D. ये हो गया E. And ये F. Okay. Now Newman projection में क्या होता है? You have a dot, that is one carbon, and पीछे वाले कार्बन को to make it visible, we have to give a circle. This is the first carbon, and this is the second carbon. Now first carbon में तीनों group attach है, second carbon में भी तीनों group attach है इससे. One group, second group, third group. In this way, you can convert Newman projection to Fisher projection. Now we all know how to convert Newman projection, Sauer's projection, and Wedge-Dash projection to Fisher projection. Thank you so much, and please subscribe this channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much.